Oh, this is me again. I'm still waiting for them to leave. Right now it's about 5:14 in the afternoon. Just waiting for these two men, and they just came up with this little bulldozer. Yeah. It's still January 16, 2023. It's about 5:14 near 5:15 at night. It's still sunsets or something like that. Yep. Look at that, they'll be out of here very soon. Just waiting for them to leave so I can walk over there. I wish I'd actually leave to get the hell out of here. It's getting late. They've been here about 10 straight hours. Here comes one of those STS vans. They're just taking turns. This is only just business I'm doing. Videotaping. Waiting for them to leave. We never go over there while they're working. We only go over there when they're not working. They're dumping all the crap in. Yep. They've been here since January 2nd, and this week they've been here since Saturday. They could do them when it's very cold or wet. I wish I'd get the hell out of here already so I can go over there. They're probably backing it up or something. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video, and hopefully I'll see you a little later for Aftermath. Till then, keep on watching. Bye.